Good morning, good morning, good morning, Dallas. Guys, did you wake up and it is foggy? It is foggy. I can't even see Dallas right now, okay? However, the show still goes on. I have to get out and show houses today. So I have some clients this morning. They're wanting to look at pre-owned homes. And if you know how I feel, you know how I feel about pre-owned. So I am going to show these pre-owns and hopefully convince them to look at new construction. My second client, she already knows I love new construction, so that's where we're going to start. New construction, I love new construction. So she was telling me that her son, his lease is about to be up, and he was wondering should he renew it or try to find another place, and because they're going to raise his rent. We've all been there. That's the reason I purchased this condo for $175, because you're not going to keep raising my rent and you're not even fixing anything, okay? So she was like, do you think he could be able to find him a home under $250? I was like, yeah, but he has to be very open-minded to location. If he was willing to get into a condo, an apartment, a townhouse, a duplex, yeah, you can. It's very doable. That's for sure. You just have to be open-minded.